This is Camcamp SC21, a wireless, battery-powered security camera that includes a solar panel providing non-stop security surveillance capabilities. You can install it and don't have to worry about the camera running out of power. In this video, we'll be looking at this camera's features and functions. I will show you how to set it up and test its capabilities. This video is made into these sections so that you can easily find and watch the information from this video. Continue watching to learn about the Camcamp SC21 solar security camera. If you're new to this channel and interested in this kind of tech review, click the subscribe button to be notified of future videos. This is the product box for Camcamp SC21, a solar-powered security camera, and the picture of a camera and solar panel. The box is quite generic, and this label at the corner shows the model SC21. On one side, some of the features are printed, and the rest of the sides have pictures printed on them. Now, let's open the box to see its contents. These are everything that came in the box. The Camcamp SC21 security camera, the security camera wall mounting screws, the solar panel with USB Type-C connection, the solar panel mounting base and screws, a quick operation guide, and a warranty and support information card. Let's look at the physical design and construction of the Camcamp SC21 camera. The camera feels a little heavy, probably due to built-in lithium battery and motors to move the camera viewing angle. At the front, this is the camera lens, and below, it is the passive infrared sensor or PIR. These are the dual source lights which emit infrared and white light. This circle is the light sensor, and this tiny one is the indicator light. On both sides of the camera are antennas. These antennas can be adjusted to get the optimal wireless signal with the internet router. At the bottom of the camera, there is a reset button and a microSD card slot. It does not come with a microSD card, so you will need to get one separately. At the back of the camera is the speaker for system prompts and two-way audio. And here is the power on or off button and USB-C port to connect to the solar panel or continuous power supply. Camcamp SC21 camera has 4MP HD resolution video quality, with the resolution being 2560 by 1440 in size. It has infrared night vision and is also able to capture full-color night vision in low-light environments. This camera has a 355 degrees PTZ control function that expands the monitoring range. You can flexibly adjust the direction and viewing angle of the camera through the mobile app to achieve coverage with minimal blind spots. It has a motion detection function that triggers alarm or video recording. When movement is detected, a notification alert is pushed to the app in your mobile phone to view the detected event. The camera has a two-way call function, allowing you to communicate with people in the monitored area in real time. I find it useful for talking to courier people or to scare intruders. This camera adopts IP66 waterproof body design, which should ensure that the camera can operate normally in harsh weather conditions. The camera supports local storage and cloud storage, allowing you to choose the appropriate security footage storage method according to your needs. This product did not come with a microSD card, so I had to purchase one myself. Cloud storage is usually a subscription-based service. Everyday non-stop security camera surveillance is possible with its built-in battery and solar panel. The solar panel should be sufficient to keep topping up the battery charge, so that you may not need to remove the camera at all. Setting up the security camera involves the use of an app called Tris Home. I'm using an Android phone to install it from Google Play. As I've mentioned before, this camera can store video recordings on cloud storage or local storage. If using local storage, insert a microSD card before turning on power. Turn on the camera power switch.
Wait to be configured.
Connect the phone to a Wi-Fi network and turn on Bluetooth. Launch the Tris Home app. If this is the first time, register for a new account and login. Once logged into the app, you will see all devices' screen and tab options at the bottom. To add a new security camera, click the plus button at the top right corner. Here is a list of products that you can choose from. Select the matching camera from here. Tap Next on the Power on Camera screen, and on the Camera Network Config screen, tap Next again. Type in the same Wi-Fi connection password and press the Next button. On this screen, press the Next button again. You will now see a QR code. Show the QR code to the camera lens with a distance of about 25 centimeters to 35 centimeters. The QR code should disappear and the device connected to the network. Once the camera has been added, you can now change the device's default password. Type in your new password and press Next. You can now give the camera a name for easier identification, which is useful if you have multiple cameras. Then tap the Completed button. Once the configuration is completed, the device is now listed in the All Devices home screen. Clicking the thumbnail will show you the real-time view of the camera. You can use the app's PTZ function to adjust the camera angle remotely. You can move left or right, or up or down to get the best view. If you need any further help, tap the online service for assistance on the home screen. There is a live chat option here for customer support. The camera can be charged via a USB-C charging cable. To use the solar panel for charging, connect the USB-C cable through this smaller hole on the rubber cover. Make sure it is properly sealed to avoid moisture getting in. The camera wall bracket can be detached, which makes it easy to screw it to a wall. Once secured on the wall, just slide down the camera until it clicks into place. Next step is to screw the base holder to the solar panel. This solar panel bracket can be screwed to a wall. The base can be easily adjusted to angle the solar panel towards the sun. Loosen the screw and rotate the pin, then tighten to the preferred angle. If you're looking for a security camera that is straightforward and easy to set up, you can consider Camcamp SC21 for your home security needs. It is wireless, so you can place it nearly anywhere without the need to connect to the nearest power supply. Built-in battery and solar panel keeps this camera charged, and you may never need to take down the camera for charging. The camera supports microSD card for video storage, so you can avoid paid cloud subscriptions. I do wish that it included a microSD card, but as the card doesn't cost that much, it's not a big problem for me. Camcamp SC21 is a well-featured security camera option that includes a solar panel and comes in a reasonably priced package. If you would like to know more, I have provided a link in the description or comment section. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.